Everyone, welcome to another exciting edition with Winnie Honor. So today we are looking at percentages. Now, percentage means by 100. Percentage means by 100. So if you have 25%, the same as 25 over 100 or 25 ratio 100. Now, for question 1, express 20 as a percentage of 50. Express 20 as a percentage of 50. Once you see of and a number following, this is going to be the denominator. So we have 20 is the numerator of 50 times 100 because we are dealing with percentage. So 0 cancels 0. 5 here is 1. 5 in 10 is 2. Then this 0 raise it up. So we have 2 times 20, which is 40. So our answer here is 40% for question 1. Now for question 2, what percentage of 7 whole number 1 over 2 is 5 whole number 1 over 2? What percentage of, don't forget the of, we're talking about this. What percentage of 7 whole number 1 over 2 is 5 whole number 1 over 2? So this is our denominator. How is it our denominator? You can see that the of is very close. We are talking of this. So in that sense, 5 whole number 1 over 2 is our numerator. So we have 5 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 7 whole number 1 over 2 times 100. The reason for this times 100 is because we are dealing with percentages. Now, for step 1, you see we can't work with this. This is mixed number. So for step 1 in this situation, step 1, we have to change to improper fraction. We are changing to improper fraction. So where we have 5 whole number 1 over 2 is going to be 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2. Now for step, okay, we do this 2 with this. So 7 whole number 1 over 2 is same as 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 over 2. So step 2, we have 11 over 2 divided by 15 over 2 times 100. You know, in our previous class, we mentioned divide cannot divide. We have to change this divide here to multiplication. So we'll be having 11 over 2 times, once you change divide to multiplication, the fraction on the right side reverses in the sense that this 2, that's usually the denominator, becomes the numerator and 15 becomes the denominator. How come did these two, how did we get 2 over 15? Remember, 15 over 2 was initially here. Because we changed this divide to multiplication, it's reversed. So 2 became the numerator, 15 became the denominator. So we can solve it this way. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. Then we are having 11 over 15. Remember our times 100 times 100. So 5 here is 3, 5 here is 20. So we have 11 times 20 over 3. So what's 11 times 20? Let's find out. 20 times 11. 11 times 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. So here we have 220 over 3. How many times can 3 go into 22? 3 here is 7, remaining 1. 3 into 10 is 3, remaining 1. So answer here is 73 whole number 1 over 3. 73 whole number 1 over 3 is our answer. Then don't forget to put your percentage sign. So this is our answer. 5 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 7 whole number 1 over 2 actually gave us, at the end of it, 73 whole number 1 over 3%. Now for question 3. We are told to express 35 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. Remember, 35 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. So the of 1 hour means this 1 hour is going to be the denominator. So we have 35 minutes over 1 hour times 100. We are dealing with percentage, hence we have 100 there. But there's something wrong here. I've said it before, like a goat cannot talk to a human being. This is minutes and this one is hour. They are not the same. So we have to change, either we change minutes to hour or we change hour to minutes. But